I'm Tarotist Maggie Norton, and today I want to bring you the Tarot card of the week. This week, the Tarot card is the Magician. The Magician resonates with the One energy, okay? The One is the singular, the autonomous. The Magician always reflects the self. So this week, really focus in on yourself, okay? I want you to take a look at who you are. I want you to really come to understand that there is only one unique you. No one else can be who you are or do what you do the way that you do it, okay? And appreciating your uniqueness is such a blessing of the Magician, okay? The Magician is literally that creating and the life that you want, turning lead into gold. That's the places of ourselves that we want to transform, okay? We have all these beautiful elements to work with. We have the fire, the earth, the air, and the water, and we get to create our personality. We get to create the essence of how we're going to be in this world. So this week is a really good week to identify and define who you are by saying, I am. And what is it that you are? Now, I am are I would say, some of the most powerful words of the universe, because you're declaring to the universe who you really are. And you're going to start creating that life, just like a magician can create his world, okay, by using that statement. So a good exercise for the tarot card of the week is every day write down statements of who you are. Say, I am beautiful, I am strong, I am whatever it is that you are, okay? It can be an adjective, it could be a noun. Doesn't make any difference. But identifying yourself and stepping into that place where you're moving into your uniqueness, but you're defining how you want it to look. Then you are the magician. You become the magician, and you can create and mold the life that you want. Enjoy the tarot card of the week. There's a lot of power in this card, and really it's about you defining yourself. Enjoy, have fun, and I look forward to all the transformation that you can create. Be the magic and enjoy.